Getting a free virtual credit card is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the App Store. Then search here Skrill. After that, tap on the app, then click to open it. Once you get into the app, click on Get Skrill Card. Then click to continue. Now add the information of your address in here. Enter your address in line 1 and 2. Then enter your city, zip code, and date of birth. After entering all of your information, click to continue. Then to verify your account, enter your SSN last 4 digits. Also enter your occupation. Tick the checkboxes and click to continue. Then provide your full SSS to continue with your verification. So enter your social security number, tick the checkbox and click to continue. Then choose a document to upload for verification. You can choose any of the given options and upload a document relevant to it.